Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and if you can see that this particular period is from 3rd week of November 2022 till now we have seen it is in this zone. And if you look at this particular chart, that it is very volatile. So I have already explained you that if the market is volatile, always reduce your quantity to half, increase your SL as well as your target by twice. So what is the benefit? That you will not lose your capital, because it will hit your target as well as your SL, but it will hit your SL first. That is why I always try to reduce your quantity to half when the market is volatile. Okay, so now if you look at this particular chart, suppose if it breaks down, okay, you can see this is the particular zone. If it breaks down, then a probability is very high it will fall further down, but if it goes above this particular zone, it will move further upside. Okay, now before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can come down again to a level of $77, which is already broke downside, as I've already explained you some. See, few of the points that you have to understand. 77 is a strong support. So if it goes below this particular zone, it will move further low. Okay, so now it has already broke this particular zone 77. So now it is trading at around $76.85. So chances are very high, yes, it can move further low towards a level of $75.96, and from there it can go further low, and a probability of touching $74.21 is there. This $74.21 once move below this particular level, it can go and cross a level of $73.69. This is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further low towards a level of $73 to a level of around $71.81. Okay, suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, it can fall further low towards a level of $70.8. This is the support, is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can fall from this particular zone, and chances are very high that it can move further low towards a level of around $68.61. Okay, and once the price fall below $68.61, then it will move further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Once the price fall below 68, then we can see it can move further low, and I'll explain you if the price fall below that particular zone. Okay, these some of the support I have already explained you, that 77 is a strong support, 68 is a strong support. So once the price fall below 77, chances of touching 68 is on higher side. Once it move below 68, then we can see it can go further low. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, suppose a swing form at this particular level. Okay, so what we can see, suppose of a swing form at this particular level, it can touch a level of around $77.54. This $77.54 is already a weak resistance. Okay, so chances are very high it can cross this particular zone, and at level of 79.54 we can see this 79.54 is again a weak resistance, so chances are very high we can see a level of $80.52. Okay, and once the price sustain above this particular level, it can cross a level of $80.72, and it can cross a level of around 82.79. This 82.79 is already a weak resistance. Keep this in mind. Once started moving upside, chances are very high it can cross this particular zone, and we can see it can cross this level of around 83.49 once it sustain a level of 82.79. Okay, and once it sustain this level, it will cross a level from November of 2022. So keep this in mind. When a range move in a particular zone, then we can see it can go further upside, and chances of touching $85 is there. And once it sustain above 85, then we can see it can go further upside. So keep this in mind. Once the price move of that particular level, then we can see it can move further high. I do workshop also. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings as per your timing and my timing. Then we can adjust the timing, as well as if you are in budget, we can decide the timing as well as how the basic, advanced and technical workshop. If you want to attend that, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.